All right, so we have all the walls framed up, and what we got in front of us today is installing all the wall sheathing. So let's get to it. For the first course of sheathing, we will be cutting each sheet in half. Here, I am establishing where the top of those sheets will be. This will allow for 2 more full rows of sheathing above it, and will get us to right under the top plates. Now that we have all the wall sheathing on, we can go ahead and start taping all the seams. Alright, nice work today. We got all the wall sheathing up and all the seams have been taped. So the next thing that we are going to move on to is the roof. And in the next video, we're going to be assembling the trusses. So thanks for building with me thus far, and I'll see you on the next one.